you'll start losing efficiency both in the airflow and in the heat transfer. You know, there's a lot of people in our industry that talk about coming out and doing checkups to a house. Typically, a checkup is nothing more than I have this like 10-point little checklist and I'm going to go and see if I can figure out what's wrong with this system so that I can sell them something here today. The Due West Tuneup is a little bit different. What we're really trying to accomplish is making sure that the system is performing as efficiently as possible and that everything is measuring properly so that they're all set for the coming summer weather. A couple of steps that set our tune-up apart is that included in it is, as an example, making sure that the outdoor unit is nice and clean, and if there's a lot of debris that's built up either around the outside or down in, a lot of times leaves will get down in the middle, we're getting that pulled apart and getting that cleaned out as part of the tune-up. The same applies to the inside. So on the indoor unit, if any of the air is bypassing your filter and that dirty air is getting into the unit, it'll start accumulating on the fan blades of the fan wheel, and it'll start accumulating on the coil on the inside, and you'll start losing efficiency both in the airflow and in the heat transfer. And so we're checking those, and if those are dirty, we are cleaning those as part of our standard tune-up as well. We're also checking the condition of the drain pipe in the indoor unit, because the worst thing that can happen to most homeowners is not that they come home after a long day of work and the house is hot inside, because at the end of the day, if you just need to go stay in a hotel room that night or call 24/7 on-call emergency service, they can come out and get you back up again. But if that drain starts leaking on you, you're going to end up with flooding in your attic, and it's going to be a much bigger deal than just hot. And so we test that. If that needs to be flushed out with bleach or otherwise taken apart and cleaned out, we're making sure that that's taken care of as part of the tune-up process as well. So those are some of the things that set our tune-up apart. But if you would like more information, you can definitely find it on our website at www.du-west.com.